Hello everyone, this is Abdolreza Sadreddini and I'm here to represent to the market report about the Tesla. I'm on the weekly time frame and I want to show you what's going on, the prediction, the high probability of the Tesla. There is no doubt the data actually we have from 2010 up to the here, and then down here is the first and second wave of the Elliott wave. After that, it goes up for the third wave and actually come down decline to the fourth wave here as an leading diagonal. If we have a leading diagonal here as a first scenario, we will have another actually pullback to go up in the as a wave fifth to make the higher cycle the wave one here. If we check the wave 3 based off the length of the wave 1 is get over at the 88% of the length of the wave 1. So more likely we will have something pretty similar to that. If we're gonna go for 88% is very slightly over the third wave and is acceptable theoretically, but maybe usually go a little bit higher to the 100% of the length of the wave 3. So usually we are expected to wave 5 and the wave 1 whole wave up in the higher cycle gonna end up between 400 to the 450, and after that we will have a big decline. But this leg, the fifth wave, it's gonna take at least 2 years, so you won't have any problem. For now we are expecting a little pullback. It's not little, it's about the 4 to 6 months, because if I go to the 4 hours, the 4 hours time frame, we will see here a little bit actually overbought area, which alert for the decline. This is the first scenario, which is not the preferred, is one of the actually two scenarios. The second scenario is which more preferred. Uh, Again, we have it from 2010 the data. There is no doubt for the wave 1 and 2, but here we don't have a wave 3. We have a just initial wave 1 as an internal or sub wave of the wave 3, and the wave 3 would be in the very higher. So in this scenario, the wave 1 of the wave 3 just started, and actually we have a wave 1 and 2, 3 and 4, and the fifth wave at the wave 1 of the second and the second wave of the wave 3. We are in the middle of the wave 2. If you check the pattern, we will see here wave 1 in the ABC, wave 1 and wave 2. But if you check this leg in the daily time frame, here to here we will have an overlap. So, and actually not very clear pattern here as impulse pattern. It's actually almost approved. It's gonna end up in the ending diagonal pattern. So we will have a fourth wave with a little pullback to go up more likely to the $300, and then gonna decline back to the 160, 169. And after that we will have a very long rally, maybe to the 600. So anyway, now we will have a rally up to the $300 here is more preferred, more likely probability gonna happen. Go to the 300 area, which is the uh, very important support and resistance. I want to show you here with the line. It's a zone, it's not the just area. Let me do it some another way. Just hold on for a second. We will have a very strong support and resistance here, as you can see. If I just make it highlight for you, Okay, something like this. If you can see, we have a very strong support and resistance area here. Actually, we had the respect here, here, and we had a tight area here. Again, respect 2 times here, and here 2 times here. And the top you can actually count by yourself. So we have a very tight area, very strong area, support and resistance here. So more likely the fourth wave gonna go up to the $300 and then gonna decline back to the 150s, maybe 155, 160, or 168, 69. The point is we have a very strong cluster here at the 88% of the Fibonacci retracement of whole wave A, and the expansion ABC Fibonacci at 150 here. If I put the another support and resistance line here, you will see we have a strong support and resistance here. One here, no, not here, sorry. We had a very strong support and resistance here, which we actually get respect on it, but we have a very strong cluster here. It's might more likely gonna end up here a little bit later, actually lower than this point, to make it complete the fifth wave, and then we have a rally. So for now we have a rally, but would be I would be very conservative about that. And then we're gonna have a decline and then another rally. Pay attention to the 4 hours. It's actually overbought area here is very good sign and alert for what's going on. I hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching.